Hello everyone, today we're going to look at an interesting way to use the present progressive making negative questions for polite offers, invitations, and even showing surprise. This approach is friendly, inviting, and perfect for social situations. Let's dive in. Negative questions in the present progressive are useful for inviting someone or suggesting an idea politely. Here are the main reasons we use them. Polite offers and invitations. Using a negative question makes the invitation sound gentle, giving the other person the option to accept or decline without feeling pressured. For example, "Aren't you coming with us to the park?" This is a polite way to invite someone to join them at the park. Okay? Or here's another example. "Isn't she joining us for dinner?" You're checking if she plans to join with a hopeful tone. Friendly suggestions. Negative questions are also great for making suggestions without being too assertive. They offer an idea but leave room for the other person's opinion. For example, "Aren't we ordering a pizza tonight?" This is a gentle suggestion to confirm if pizza is still the plan. Or, "Isn't he bringing dessert for the party?" Suggests the idea, allowing room for confirmation or change. Expressing surprise or checking on plans. Sometimes we use negative questions to check if an expected plan is still happening. This is helpful when something seems unexpected. For example, "Aren't you working on your project today?" It shows surprise that the person isn't working on their project. Or, "Isn't he attending the meeting?" Expresses mild surprise if he was expected to attend. These uses make negative questions in the present progressive a flexible tool for polite communication. Let's look at how to form negative questions in the present progressive. Use the contraction form of the to-be verbs with their not, except for am. For am, first say am, then the subject, and then the word not, and after that verb plus ing. For example, "Aren't we studying together today?" Checks if the study plan is still on. "Isn't she coming to the event tonight?" Confirms whether she is attending. This structure keeps the question polite and non-direct, perfect for social or friendly situations. Negative questions are often used to create a soft and inviting tone. Let's look at how this works. Creates a gentle invitation. Negative questions make invitations sound less direct, allowing the person to accept or decline freely. For example, "Aren't you joining us for lunch?" This is an inviting way to ask if the person will join, giving them freedom to decline. Adds a friendly reminder. Sometimes a negative question can serve as a gentle reminder without sounding too insistent. For example, "Aren't we meeting at 5 p.m.?" This is a subtle reminder of the planned meeting time. Expressed curiosity or mild surprise. Negative questions are also great for checking on plans or showing mild surprise when something is unexpected. For example, "Isn't he supposed to be on the call right now?" This shows mild surprise as the speaker expected him to join the call. Let's quickly compare how positive and negative questions feel different in the present progressive tense. In positive questions, they're more direct. For example, "Are you joining us for lunch?" Simply asks if they're joining without any particular tone. Negative question, is polite and inviting. For example, "Aren't you joining us for lunch?" This sounds like a friendly invitation gently encouraging the person to join you. So using negative questions in the present progressive is a great way to keep conversations friendly and inviting. They soften the tone, making offers and requests feel considerate and open. Now I want you to try using these types of negative questions in your next conversations. They're perfect for polite invitations and checking on plans. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.